Hey there, welcome back to Flying Dollar Motorsports channel. Today we are in Camas, Washington, in the Yakult Burn State Forest. We're going to run the Skyline Trail. It is here southwestern Washington, not too far north above Portland, about 2.5 hours away from Tacoma. It's supposed to be an easy trail, but it is a temporary Jeep Badge of Honor trail. It's only really the second time I've had the TJ out. We did a little shakedown run up in the Tahoya ORV area, but this is kind of going to be the first trail. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so we're at the trailhead. Basically, you're driving down what is called L1500, L1500 Forest Road, and this is the trailhead here. Can you see that okay? Not much of a gatekeeper, it's just a hill. But I'm in well, let's go 4 low, just because of the hill. But I just talked to a guy at the trailhead where we were at. He said the trail's pretty easy. Trail conditions are really good, so we'll see. It's pretty dry out here. It's about 75, 80 degrees here in Washington in early July. Oh, well, I guess I lied. There is a bit of a gatekeeper here. Well, it looks like there's a bypass to your right. so according to Onyx, right here to my left is the end of the Skyline Trail, and it keeps going to our right down here. That should take you down, what is this, Forest Road, like 1520, 1520, and it'll take you back to the main road. You can also go left here, which we're gonna do, and there's a little, this road is still 1520, it's a continuation, but there's also two little offshoot trails called Screech Owl Trail and what's the other one? Snaggletooth Trail that you can come down here and try. So we're gonna go down there and take a look at those and see what they're like.
You're gonna drop. You need to turn left a bit.